Gewer ich mir jetzt umgekommen zu der neue beautiful Heider immer ich bin wie Sruly Goldberger macht a brand new beautiful hole Alphi Manasseh also ich komme zu der Bergheim lass mich dir was in der neue hole Gewer lass mal sehen wie Sruly ist okay du sind umgekommen zu der Berg seht das du gehst an der Parking Lot riesige Schädig du umgeht nach bauen der Parking Lot du lass mal checken du in der hole lass mal sehen wie Sruly ist so calling what's the ground level Sruly Sruly, team the Michael, give a clip at all. Wow, can you go make me to build a riesige parking lot, the ganze Schädig in the back?
There's going to be about 100 parking spots. Well, the hype tune showing from the parking.
Nah, I came up from the back, aber gesehen the parking lot, aber gesehen this guy.
This is actually the front entrance, but this is the back of the yeshiva, but it's the front entrance, yeah.
Wow, can you call gorgeous. Ich mein, maalt nog met een bone. When is it going to be ready?
It's almost finished. I would say 90%. There's fehlt noch a chandelier. Can't go hand nach to do Abba Mitzvah, by the way.
Hand nach to do Abba Mitzvah?
Yeah. Hand nach done mir to Shem.
It's right now about 12 o'clock.
Okay.
En du suchst mal Hand nach kommt Abba Mitzvah du?
100%. Das geht alles an draußen von du.
Entschuldigung, mit dich weiß ich schon, wir können bleiben, because you can pull anything off.
Das geht an Abba Mitzvah, danach. Das geht an draußen, die poles ganz angepainted.
Guys painting the poles?
The poles going on. The wires is not going to be here. The chandelier is not going to be here yet tonight. The person knows that there's no chandelier.
Weiß schon, das gar nicht da, du.
Correct. Wollte sagen der erste. It's the first person in this hole. Okay, everything has its own perks. Brand new, stunning. But look at these marble tiles. Look at the gold in the wall.
It's beautiful design.
I mean, in the last 3 weeks, I can say they pulled it off, including Sven Peter in between. They pulled off to finish it because of a deadline of today. And it's going to be Mit Hashem done.
Listen, ich will in a bar park, but I'm thinking of coming back tonight, special to see the Mitzvah. Ich will sehen, als done. So,
das ist wirklich, du kannst bleiben du.
Principal bar park,
ja.
As we shaking pictures.
I'll send you live footage as to wissen, dass es echt. Kick on these steps. These are one mikshwachas. This top part is the mikshwachas. These 3 steps, one piece.
Wow.
How they put it up. They're putting a lot of koich and moich in this place. Brand new.
Laat me even vragen, so this guy's on a bisschen upper class. It was be an upper class hold. I mean, the design, the look.
So honestly, yes, it's not going to be. It is going to be an upper class, meaning a little bit better, a better hold, because they invested a lot of money in it. It's stuck in a chayde, but it's a total different entity. The electric is a separate electric. The AC, the heat. Everything is separate. Even in Chaz v'Shulam, there's no electric in the Chayde. This is
running.
Separate panel, separate everything. So it's really gunish the team with the actual Chayde.
So
otherwise, that it's in the building.
Right.
Mamash separately made, designed, gorgeous, and you have to plot for 100 couples easily.
100 couples.
Yeah, easily can do like 100 couples.
Wow, beautiful. I love the fact that it's ground level.
Ground level, yeah. Ground. So yes, let's get back to the parking. Yeah, you will have here approximately 100 parking spots. I'll show you soon outside.
100 spots.
Between the no school buses parked in the whole property later, and there's going to be probably 100 spots. But between here and the back level, it's going to be about 100 spots over here.
Beautiful.
Let me show you up here. There's going to be over here. Again, so noch Roy, so noch the men's bathroom is over there.
Okay.
I don't want to bother. I think there's somebody there from the Chayde. The milchige kitchen is over here. This is a fleischige kitchen. This is the fleisch. Again, it's a warmer kitchen.
So do guys start out of this place?
Over here. Yep.
Out of here is gonna come some good steaks, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oof. Wow. Guys gaan milchig ook in? It's gonna be a fleischige hole.
Do a milchige kitchen over
there. You guys catering milchigs?
I don't have a milchige kitchen, but if you need to bring milchig, of course, sure.
So you're saying you can make a morning bris?
I've done, sure.
A Mondschein, echt groß, balabatisch, Monzi Daffels. Jeden Tag weet nog Simcha is Hashem, met Mabra Monzi spreading out to Pomona, to Wesley Hills, to... Ze wachs van alle zaken, maar dat meer holz, van meer Simchas.
So this all is going to be cleaned up over here with Hashem.
So behind nach, this whole place is being cleaned.
I'm to do hand nach.
Unreal. Sruly, how do you pull this off?
It's not me, it's the Chayde is pulling it off. They're having the whole this, but I was the one pushing for it.
Amazing. So wie heißt the whole noch einmal?
Alfei Manasseh Ballroom.
Alfei Manasseh Ballroom.
AMB, if you want to call it.
Fancy.
AMB. Alfei Manasseh, there's a guy that paid for it. And Alfei Manasseh Ballroom, the Hechshe is going to be the Sachte Hechshe.
Sachte Hechshe, okay.
The Hechshe is going to be over here.
And the catering is by Sruly Goldberger.
Catering is by Sruly Goldberger, yeah.
Einer will bestellen the whole for any Simcha.
Ich weiß noch nicht the number that they have, the Chayde, they have the phone number.
The phone number. But so Sruly, bis der Wahl kann man riefen dich auf ein Cellphone by the number.
646-372-3372.
Okay, I'm going to auflegen the number on the screen. Call, text, WhatsApp, Sruly. Sie booken a Simcha, any Simcha.
Anything.
Anything, we dream
Again,
of it.
in Steamen andere Simchas auch. Das ist von du, in Steamen all over.
You cater outside also, einer macht das Shabbaton.
Ich mach Devach Shabbos in Long Branch in New Jersey in a hotel, a full Shabbos Sheber.
So in Long Badil?
Badil, New Jersey.
Hotel The Wave?
In the Wave Hotel, yeah.
Ich kenn sich was ein bisschen da.
You can see, feel.
Okay, hole, check it out, it's really beautiful hole in Atzma Lechting. See you tonight. Ich ga sehen the pictures. Efter schicka steaks in Water Park.
A picture, no problem.
Take